Did you know that over 300,000 Australians suffer from lymphedema? This chronic condition can cause severe swelling, pain, reduced mobility, significantly impacting quality of life. Lymphedema occurs when the lymphatic system fails to properly drain lymph fluid, leading to accumulation in tissues. Hivamat technology uses oscillating electrostatic fields to break down protein clusters in the tissue, enhancing fluid movement and drainage. 5 benefits of Hivamat technology. It reduces swelling effectively, it alleviates pain and discomfort, it enhances lymphatic drainage, and it improves mobility and flexibility. It also supports long-term tissue health. At Prime Health Hub, our experts use Hivamat technology to provide targeted, effective lymphedema treatment. So don't let lymphedema control your life. Visit primehealthhub.com.au to learn more and start your journey to better health today.